back to Sister's Kitchen, and today we're gonna make pineapple juice. I have my ginger here, and I have some clove, and I have 2 pineapple. So I'm gonna wash my ginger and get right back. Okay guys, I just finished washing my ginger, so I'm gonna cut them up because I'm gonna blend them. And guys, pineapple is very good for you guys, especially how it's cold now. It's very good. You can make your pineapple juice and you drink it hot or cold, because I drink it hot sometimes. So guys, you make your pineapple juice and you drink. And I'm gonna make ginger beer. Maybe the next one I'm gonna make is ginger beer. And guys, ginger is very good for your immune system. Guys, start making your ginger beer, drink your sorrel, drink your pineapple juice, and build your immune system for the winter. Okay guys, you don't have to peel your ginger, just wash them with baking soda and use a brush and brush them. Then you can blend everything, or you soak them overnight in the baking soda water. You will take off any dirt is inside, it will melt it off. So guys, you see I'm using a lot of ginger because I want to taste my ginger in my pineapple juice. I want both to taste the pineapple and the ginger. That's why I'm using 2 pineapples. That's enough now. That's supposed to be enough. So guys, I would like you to like, share and comment and tell me how you make your ginger beer or your pineapple juice in your country. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend up my ginger, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna throw it in my pot. I'm gonna do another set again. And guys, remember to like, share and comment please, so you can see more of my videos. Guys, you don't have to blend the ginger if you don't want to, but I want to because I want everything out of the ginger. Okay, I'm gonna do one more. So now I'm finished blending my ginger. I'm gonna peel my pineapples. Okay, let me drop my clove inside first. I'm gonna put a couple cloves inside. Then I'll wash them. I'm just gonna rinse them off. So I'm gonna be dropping my cloves inside. wash my pineapple now and get back to you guys. Now I'm gonna peel my pineapple. And I'm gonna use both the skin and the pineapple itself. I'm gonna add the skin first to the pot. Now I'm gonna cut it as thin as I can, because I want all the juice out of it. And guys, if it's the first time you're seeing our video, welcome. And I hope you will like, share and subscribe to our video, please. So guys, I'm gonna let it steam for about 15 to 20 minutes and I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so now my pineapple juice, I'm just gonna let it I don't want it boil. I just want to make it bubble a little bit, and I'm gonna turn off the stove and cool it down. I don't want it to make no big bubble. I don't want it, just want it to be steam. Okay guys, so that's how it looks right now. Okay guys, so my pineapple is finished and it smells so nice. It have a nice aroma. Guys, I wish you could smell it. You could smell the ginger and the pineapple and the clove together. Smelling so nice. So guys, I'm gonna cool it down and I'm gonna sweeten it, and I'm gonna get back right with you with the finished product. Okay guys, welcome back. So my pineapple juice is ready. It's cool and nice. I'm gonna add my sugar, and I have 2 limes. I'm gonna make some lime juice. So I'm gonna sweeten it with a little bit of sugar, maybe a cup of sugar or a cup and a half. And I'm gonna sweeten. You can use white sugar if you want. I don't want white sugar. I'm using brown sugar. And I'm gonna add my lime juice to it. And guys, this is good for the winter. Build your immune system and keep away the cold from you. Guys, so I'm pouring out some pineapple juice. I'm gonna give a glass to my niece and I'm gonna have one. So this is my pineapple juice, guys. And I'm gonna put my lime whenever I'm ready. So guys, remember to like, share, subscribe to my channel, please. And God bless you, and see you in our next video, okay? Thank you for watching. And if you're new, welcome.